Like, I know that we ran a lot of new stuff in the back.
Peter Malmö, above all things, is a ghost story. Johnny, a young man, is charged on his mother's deathbed to return to her hometown and to meet his father. And she simply tells him to get what is ours and nothing more. When he goes to that town, all he gets is mystery. And he meets a multitude of people, but they may not be among the living. And through these encounters, he uncovers the history of himself, of his family, and why this Peter Malmö destroyed an entire civilization in the search of love. The reason I chose Peter Malmö as the play for Suffolk University Theater Department is twofold. One of it is selfish because I read Pedro Páramo when I was in high school, and it is a very difficult text to wrap your head around. It is told out of order with almost 100 point of view characters, and it is a mystery box. What I really enjoyed about working on Peter Malmö with these students is it's reminded me of when I was in university, when I was an undergrad, and I'm able to share in part what little wisdom I can maybe offer about the professional world, but also put myself in their shoes really actively to remember what were the things that I needed and what were really useful for me when I was an undergrad, and to sort of give back the lessons that I was given when I was undergrad and be able to do that for the students here. Peter Malmö, I think it's a challenging show, one that is both strange, weird. Here is a story that invites a conversation about the nature of the story, its moral, and what even just happened. And I think that's a very exciting opportunity for the audience to come and explore.